get one chance, then I would do it fully, right? I don't want to be like, hi guys, I'm so sorry. Resuming normal activities now. Like, I just didn't want to do that. And so I was like, if something so traumatic has happened to me, people need to know. And also because everybody was like, अपूर्वा और समय का जो कमबैक होगा सब देखेंगे, so I had so much pressure कि अब कमबैक करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि उन्होंने बोल दिया है अब नॉर्मली नहीं आ सकते, अब कुछ अच्छा करना पड़ेगा. When my dad for the first time found out that I have Instagram, and he saw my society, showed him the videos, and he just lost it. And his problem was not that I was abusing. His problem was that who would marry me if this is the person that I am on the internet, and I cuss and I drink, and who will accept me? And sanskar dena ek baat hai, but ye who will accept me, matlab that's just not what my worth is, right? And you know, you're just one decision away from telling yourself that you deserve better, and that life is waiting for you on the other end. And imagine how just so many people just don't take that leap of faith, and I'm so glad that I took it. No, I will fight with the universe. How dare you not do this to me? How dare you do
I'm
this?
clearly switching my manifesting rules. You better tell me what you are doing right.
Yeah, I'm
You're
fully
fighting. I'm
fighting.
going to start fighting.
Then how dare you?
Yeah, okay, done.
I asked you for one
That's
thing.
the tone I'm taking with the universe from here on, because clearly what I'm
Tough
begging
love.
and pleading is not happening.
Yeah, tough love. Try it.
Tough love.
That's the thing, right? I dream of these things. Like, I wanted to get a billboard in Bombay, and then I wanted to be in a movie, and then I wanted to be in a TV show. And then I get all that. And when all of that happens, I'm like, and so that's it? That is what it's meant to feel like? The thought of getting it excites me way more than actually getting it. Once I get it, I'm like, yeah, that was sort of underwhelming. Changed nothing, honestly, about my life.
But it has changed a lot about your life.
Yeah,
right?
but not one particular thing, but yes.
Yeah.
Overall, everything combined has changed a lot. Yeah, people have just taken away the charm of social media. And at least in the US, people can still like very vocally speak about things that they don't agree with. In India, the problem is that we can't speak about it. Like, everybody is so scared of commenting on politics. It shouldn't be that way. I know a lot of people have stopped caring because they're like, hum kya hi kar sakte hain? The amount of jokes that have been made on Trump and Elon, and the amount of jokes that have been made on Trump by really public figures, they can do that because
get
they
away
know,
with it.
yeah, they know nothing will happen to them because that is just their opinion.
Yeah.
And in India, that just doesn't exist. Scary, and I've grown up on the internet, so I've made my mistakes on the internet. I've made my mistakes in front of people, and people don't give you a chance to make mistakes and grow up and become a new person. It just takes one person, right, to mean what they're writing, to mean the rape threats, to mean the death threats, to mean the rape threats. It's sure not all men, just one man needed to ruin my life forever, or one woman. It is very scary because inevitably I will say the wrong thing. I will say something that will offend people. And the consequence to that should be you unfollowing me.
Yeah, not being like this hate-mongering person in my feed. Just leave, right?
I have had a man who's more than 50 years old. Some Peepudi Poopudi Pai is his name. Popudi Pai, I don't know. He's made like a full video about me, that how I'm playing the victim card and how I've bought glycerin and put that in my eyes, and made this video, and I deserve the rape threats and I deserve the... And he has a daughter. And now imagine the people who follow him. What would their mentality be like? And how scary are those people? Because he's still doing it for content and the AdSense check and the publicity and the views, whatever.
You know, this is the kind of content that needs to be pulled down and questioned.
Of course not.
Exactly.
Why would they?
I remember when you put out that post and you put out all the threats that you were getting, and you said, this is just 1%.
Yeah.
I promise you, I froze. I read 3 comments and I switched off turned my phone off, and I kept thinking, I can't read even 2 of these.
Yeah.
I don't know how someone's sitting across there who's a receiver of this hate.
What other option do you have? Give up? Being on the internet is not supposed to be this tough.
Yeah.
I don't know, like what started as this naive passion and this hopeful journey has turned into something like so dark, sad. Like, I would have never thought of, you know, all roads leading to here. There's nothing in your power that you can do, and you have the money and you have the resources and you have the contacts, and what can you do? Nothing. So then what do you truly have?